Okay, we're going to do a wiggle test here.
Now it's not lighting up.
Yeah, but constant ground is not a constant ground anymore. It's just disappeared.
So that ground is coming and going.
Yes, which
gotta
means...
be that. We know that was lit up.
Oh, yeah.
Let me make sure.
Make sure you got a good connection everywhere.
We got that. It could be in the plug itself too.
Yeah, could be, actually.
But if it was in the plug itself,
yeah,
it wouldn't have a ground because that's a power.
Right.
So it can't be in the plug itself, my bad. So right here, wow. It's not even lit up no more.
Maybe push it in again, see whether...
Okay.
Find a different spot. What the heck?
That is weird, isn't it?
Yeah, that is weird.
I must have messed with something.
Yeah, when you touch those wires in the back. So you want to wiggle them around a little bit, those back ones, and see whether it does anything here?
Yeah. Let me reconnect this.
Reconnect everything.
Wow, that's crazy.
That is. I mean, that was a constant ground. It was like no arguing.
I obviously touched the right spot, or suspected the right spot.
Yep.
Broken up back here. Wow, that's all broken up. Damn, that stuff's all just disintegrated.
Really?
I must have disturbed it.
Yeah, you must have.
So that means that...
Does that mean it's going to run better now that it doesn't have the constant ground?
Yep.
So should I start the engine? We see like how well it runs.
I can plug it back up and I'll plug it back up to the computer.
Yeah, plug it back up and see if we if it's pulsating the way it should be.
Let's see here. Let me plug it back up. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, go ahead and start it and see what happens.
Okay, you want to hold this?
Yep.
It's recording right now.
We're gonna watch the test light now. Now that we don't have constant ground. Yep, go ahead and start it. Yep, it's working like it should. See how it's pulsing now? Oh, look at that. See how it's getting bright there? Come look. See how it's getting so bright there? But it is pulsing now. So it's running normal now. So it's got to get all that gas out of the system, all that excess gas. So that's coming from the computer. So the computer is pulsing it now.
Yeah, so it's probably just relearning now. Once it starts getting all the excess fuel out.
Yep, it's relearning, yep.
That's why it kind of feels like it's a misfire, right?
Yep. Feels like it has misfire because it's trying to correct all that extra gas out of the cylinder.
Yeah.
So sometimes it's running good and sometimes it's not, because what's happening is there's a wire that is grounding out sometimes and sometimes it's not. Yeah. And I obviously disturbed it. Yeah. You know? And it will balance out here though. And so we know beyond a shadow of a doubt that it's not the computer. We know it's not the computer because you'd have no pulsing here whatsoever. But why did we have a constant ground on that wire? And we'll have to figure that out.